guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. If you're new to this space, you're very welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say welcome back. I'm so pleased to have you back. And in today's video, it will be something very short, very quick. I'm going to be repurposing some balloons that I already used because last weekend was baby's first birthday and we didn't get to take pictures or videos, and so today I'm going to be making a little backdrop for him just for that special photo shoot. Alright guys, without any waste of time, let's get into the video. Balloons are 1 week old. Today is Saturday. Last Saturday. So these balloons are exactly one week and 2 months. Because I did this on Thursday and Friday. So these are 8 days old, 9 days old. That's why. And children have already played with them a lot. So let's see what we are going to get out of it. Base structure set. Let's try to give it some style. Wow guys, this is what we have so far, and I should have done it from scratch because this was the most difficult I've done in a little bit. We're going to add our 5-inch balloons and then we'll take a look again and see what it looks like. But I think I love what I'm seeing so far. So good. I don't know if I need to add anything. It will be right here at the bottom. I might add something there, but I'm not so sure yet. So let's just add our 5-inch balloons and see how it goes. This is what we have so far. Whew, what do you think, guys? I have a 5-inch mirror gold, but my balloon pump cannot inflate it, so I need my hand pump, and I'm not able to find my back, the back I use each time I'm going out to decorate. I'm not able to find that back, and I need it to be able to get my hand pump to inflate the 5-inch balloons for the gold. What do we do? Okay guys, so this is what we got from our balloon repurposing. It was very challenging. It was tough. I think next time what I should do is just, you know, take the balloons out of the garland and then I start building afresh. I think it's going to make the work easier than using the old garland to try to create something new. That was the toughest thing that I ever tried to do with balloons. But again, I learned something. And the second lesson I learned, backdrop was not the best because I usually use a wood, and this time around I used an insulation board or insulating board. I don't know how to call it, but yeah. So it is very fragile, and then it is not heavy enough to carry the entire garland. So at one point it was falling off. I had to look for a way to secure it. The way you are seeing, the back looks like a mess, but the front is beautiful. So guys, this is it for this tutorial, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you, I'll be sharing with you pictures of the photo shoot. Okay, so for now let us add the animals. Let's add in his chair, and then the photographer will be here to take his pictures. I hope that this was helpful. I hope you were able to learn something from this. If you did, guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share again, because I am here to teach you to do it yourself. Okay, all right, that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.